Hey, Zavin here with another video. Some weird coffee.
Hello? Hello?
I shouldn't have got that coffee. Hey everybody, Zavin here with another video. Like, subscribe, cool. Alright, so to make this kind of a video, this is how you're gonna need to do it. Alright, so first of all, you have to go in the stock media and or any kind of if you have any kind of a thing like that you get videos like Shutterstock or anything like that. Alright, so here I'm just filming myself acting out as always, and then this part here. Now you have some you have about three layers here. Alright, so this layer here is the blood splatter. Okay, so you put that on the very top, then you put the alien or whatever you want on the layer number 2, and you just put that wherever you want it. And then for the so that looks like there's a bullet hole or a hole, I just went and just took a picture of something on the green screen that resembles like a bullet hole with blood coming out of it. And that's all it really you have to do here. And then you just put it on the layer so that it looks like there's a hole in your... That's the kind of thing that you can get, so that way, like right here behind the alien, so the your main track of you is going to be on the bottom layer, then the layer where you've got like the hole that looks like the hole goes on the layer on top of you, and then the alien goes on top of the obviously the layer that it looks like that it's on you, so that it looks like that. So it's, yeah, it actually makes it look kind of cool. And then you just put it so that when you act out like something's bursting out of your chest, you just put that. And the top layer, like I said, is the blood splatter that goes on top of everything. So that's what layering is. So hopefully that this was a helpful tutorial on how to make it look like an alien was coming out of your chest. If you have any suggestions that you'd like to see, please leave them in the comment down below. And till the next one, Zavin D. See ya later.